Decoding the phrase, a hunch. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that might leave some learners scratching their heads. It's the phrase, a hunch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. A hunch is an intuitive feeling or a premonition. When someone says they have a hunch, they mean they have a gut feeling or a suspicion about something, but they might not have concrete evidence to support it. It's like an internal inkling or hint that something might be true. For instance, if someone says, "I have a hunch that it's going to rain tomorrow," they're expressing a feeling or suspicion that it might rain, even if they haven't checked the weather forecast. While it's not entirely clear where the term originated, one theory is that it comes from the notion of someone hunching over or bending down, as if to listen more closely to their inner feelings or instincts. Over time, this physical act became metaphorically associated with the idea of relying on one's intuition. To make your English sound more natural, let's look at a few examples of how to use a hunch in sentences. 1. I didn't see him take the cookie, but I have a hunch he did. This means the speaker suspects someone took the cookie, even without seeing it. 2. She had a hunch that her friend was planning a surprise party for her. This suggests she felt her friend was up to something, even if she didn't know exactly what. 3. Do you have a hunch about who will win the game? Here, someone is asking for another person's intuitive guess about the outcome of a game. We hope you now have a better grasp of the phrase, a hunch. Remember, it's all about those gut feelings or suspicions that arise even without solid proof. So the next time you have an intuitive feeling about something, don't hesitate to say, I have a hunch. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.